everybody. My name is Gavin Finn. I'm with Kaon Interactive, and I'm here to talk about interactive sales and marketing experiences, which is what we create. So the first thing I'm going to do is ask you to help me define what an interactive experience might be in terms of the human experience. What do you think the three components are for interactive experiences? Anything that would be involved in the human aspect of interactivity?
Touching something?
Touching is what? What kind of a human interaction is that?
Sense.
It's a sense. So sensory is one of them. What's the other?
Conversation.
Conversation. And what does that involve? Audio is part of a sensory experience as well. Conversation. Intellectual. So you'd have to engage your brain, right? So you've got your brain engaged, you've got your senses engaged, and what's the last thing you need engaged? You get really fired up. Emotional, right. So you've got three aspects of interactivity to be successful in sales and marketing. You have to engage people's brain. In other words, you have to have something useful for them to understand and relate to. You have to get them emotionally involved, because if you don't get people emotionally involved, even if they're a B2B buyer, they're not going to buy from you. And you have to engage their senses, because if you don't, they'll fall asleep. So what we do is we create interactive experiences, and I'll give you some examples of what these interactive experiences are. First of all, these interactive experiences live on the web, and they live in these environments such as what we're doing today, presentations. This is a kiosk. This is one of our products. It's called a kiosk. It's an interactive appliance, and it contains everything that you're seeing here, the hardware, the software. There's no internet connectivity. It's completely independent, and the venues are such like the one we're in tonight. A presentation, a trade show, a sales meeting, an executive briefing center, anything where you would want to engage your customer in a sales experience, but you don't necessarily have access to either all the experts or all the physical products. So here's an example where IBM uses this technology to demonstrate their products in environments where they may not be able to show you the physical product, even though the product might be somewhere close by. So if you walk down the hall, you'll see some of these products, Blade Center Power System, System Z. And one of the things that you'll be able to do with this application is you'll be able to actually see these very powerful computers and why they're better than everybody else's, which is what IBM's story is all about. So in addition to actually showing you the computer, and here I'm using my superhuman powers to move this mainframe around just with my finger, not only can I show you the computer, but I can actually talk to you about what its benefits are to you through this interactive experience. So you, as a customer, can come up and do the things that I'm doing. You can engage your senses. You can get emotionally involved because it's fun. And I can actually show you the knowledge, the intellect that you need in order to be able to explain what it is about this product that's better and different, and why you ought to buy your own personal System Z mainframe from IBM. So these kinds of experiences are all about engaging customers directly. Now in a presentation such as the one I'm doing, I'm engaging you. You'll notice that I haven't looked at the screen yet because I am talking to you directly, my audience, and I'm using this VIOS presenter. And one of the things that I can do with the VIOS presenter is I can use these things that are presenter tools. I can show you components, I can point things out to you, I can direct your attention to certain areas, and I can do this while I'm engaging you, my audience, my prospective customers, or my actual customers. I can do it by zooming in certain areas, I can highlight things, and this is part of the interactive experience that I'm trying to generate between you and me, even though there's a large number of you and only one of me. Now, if there was just one of you and one of me, you'd be actually doing what I'm doing right now. So if you'd like to do that, we're in the presentation room just down the hall, and you can come and experience this. And after this meeting, I'm actually going to pick this up, carry it over, and it'll be sitting next to the other ones. There'll be two of them for you to look at. Now, in addition to just products, one of the things that you have to engage with is solutions. And I'm going to just show you a very quick solutions overview of showing you how I can tell you why my solutions are better, not because the features are there, but because the benefits are there. So this is called a debrief, and it shows how products work together, and you can see how these products fit together. If you want to see a product demonstration, I can show you a product demonstration, but it doesn't have to be about products. It can be about solutions. And here, I'm showing you those same product demonstrations, but I can also show you the solutions. And sometimes the solutions involve collateral, such as a video. And I'm going to show you a video integrated into this environment. It's all about interactivity and engaging you, the audience, no matter what the form of the collateral is. Thank you very much.